Today, let's understand what data leaks are with the help of an example. So, suppose one member of your family went to the market, they got some fruits and vegetables, then they stored it in that refrigerator and labeled it. Like, suppose I got spinach, I'll label spinach as spinach. Then I'll got some apples, I'll label it as apple. Then I'll label butter as butter and cheese as cheese. So, now what happens is I've stored different types of vegetables together in my refrigerator. Suppose I have a very advanced refrigerator who can respond to my commands. I ask him to give me butter, so it will give me butter. I ask him to give me spinach, it will give me spinach. So if you remember this example well, as I explained you, data engineering's data leak. So what happens in data leaks is we take different types of data together and store it in these data lakes, structured, semi-structured, as well as unstructured data. And then it is stored in raw format without any processing. So what this helps us is in this makes everything more flexible and we can query the type of data we want on the basis of only that data. So suppose I want only data regarding my sales. So I will only take the data regarding my sales, transform it and give it to anyone who wants it. So different types of data can be taken individually depending on the use case without extracting all of it together. So everything is stored in that data lake, everything is there, but we only take what we need and transform it accordingly. So that is the advantage of data lakes. It gives us much more flexibility and we can, as everything is labeled, we can get anything faster with the help of our queries. So hopefully this makes you understand what data leaks is. If you like this video, like the video, share it with your friends, comment on the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.